In this video, I'll show you how to check when your Game Pass expires on the Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage. And then from the menu that appears on top of the screen, select Settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select Account. And then choose Subscription within the account settings. So select that. And then type in your PIN when prompted. And then give it a few seconds. And then from here, you should see my subscription. So I have the Game Pass standard subscription. And then on the option next charge, you should see when your Xbox Game Pass will expire. So mine will expire on the 27th of December, 2024. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.